options tender. Got a late video here. Wasn't really going to do one today. Not too much was happening, but I looked at a few stocks and it looks like they want to move. So we're going to make this real quick game plan for today. So let's jump in. Oh, before we get into it, go down to the bottom right hand corner, hit the subscribe button, the options tender logo there, and join us in the Option Guys, the free Discord, where we get all of our trade ideas and bounce things back and forth. The link will be down in the description. Let's go for it. ES on the monthly, working on wave 5. We have a doji candle, maybe a hangman working out, and this is the last week. So we have next week starts a new month. So let's see how we end it. Weekly. Weekly, we had an inside week up. We're holding that 8MA, looking good on everything, trying to cross over on the MACD, but has not yet. Let's go down to the daily. Daily trend is our friend, so we're holding the support line here, also the 8MA, but we are sort of flagging. Now, is this a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then one last move for 5, and then we start our correction? It's kind of where I'm leaning at this point. But we have GDP, we have durable goods, I believe, and job numbers again. So, you know, those are all big catalysts. This could make our, that could be a catalyst for this to be a 1, and then the ABC correction here for 2. And this could be our area where we just break down. So we can watch some big moves, light volume. We'll just have to watch it. We'll be careful today. All that's at 8:30, so not much we can do unless you're in micros and you're in the micros future. So heads up there. Let's go down to 65, and we basically get the same thing. We have maybe a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then work our way up there. We started to make just a little bit of a move, but we got held down here by the downtrend line. It looks like a descending triangle, so that's not a good sign for the bulls, but with a catalyst, if we can move up or down from this point. Hopefully you have some put protection on. I know I do in the Qs. Okay, enough of that. Let's go to some individual names really quick. Abnb. We're just really watching this one. It's getting so tight in there. It looks like it actually might want to make some sort of move today if we get some relative strength in the small caps. AMD also getting it tight. It looks like a bull pennant. Let's see if we can break above there. It tried to make a move a few minutes ago. Baba. Same thing, except it's actually breaking out of its symmetrical triangle. So we may continue to gap up here. We're gapping up about 2-3 points at this time. We called this out in the chat room yesterday. Just pointed out I am in this name just for a quick trade. Coin working its way up, pulling back. Looks like we have a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe working on a 5 before we close this gap, and hopefully we can start breaking out on coin, break this downtrend, and we're looking for blue skies. Fsly, we had an ascending triangle breakout, back testing it right now, and let's see if we can get a push off of there today. Lazr just in this huge consolidation there. We're just going to keep our eye on that, see if we can make some moves pretty soon if the small caps are still going to push and lead. Mara starting to peak out, getting into the gap area, starting to peak out from the downtrend line. Bitcoin seems to be pushing up a little bit today, so we'll see if we can get some follow through on Mara. And last but not least, Penn started to make some moves yesterday. It has a little gap up today, but it's coming back a little bit. Let's see if we can get some follow through. I don't know if it's going to pull back maybe to the expected move, which is the breakout area, which would mean that we'd come back, probably retest the breakout area, and then head to the upside, maybe to fill that gap up. But we'll just watch this name and look forward to it maybe next week. Now we're off Monday from trading, so short week next week. Have a wonderful weekend, but we'll definitely see you after the bell. All right, good luck trading, guys.